Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're checking out the Yamaha YZ125, a legendary 125cc motocross bike known for its lightweight agility, sharp handling, and competitive performance. The YZ125 is powered by a 125cc liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine that delivers a lively and responsive performance. It's lightweight and quick to rev, offering fantastic acceleration and agility, making it perfect for riders looking to compete or have fun on tight, technical tracks. The Powerband is smooth, and the bike is designed to provide the perfect balance between performance and handling. One of the standout features of the YZ125 is its handling. Thanks to its slim and lightweight frame, the bike is incredibly maneuverable and responsive in the corners. Whether you're navigating tight turns or flying through the air, the YZ125 offers a precise and stable ride that makes it easy to control in any situation. The suspension is well tuned, soaking up rough terrain and providing a smooth ride on jumps and bumps. The YZ125 is equipped with modern motocross technology, including a high-performance suspension, the latest in chassis design, and a reliable braking system. These elements work together to deliver excellent stability and control, making the bike feel solid and capable in all riding conditions. In terms of build quality, the YZ125 is designed for durability, and Yamaha's attention to detail ensures it performs well even in the toughest conditions. It's a bike that's easy to maintain and built to last, providing top-tier performance season after season. In short, the Yamaha YZ125 is a fantastic motocross bike that offers a perfect combination of lightweight agility, smooth power, and exceptional handling. Whether you're racing or just riding for fun, the YZ125 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance two-stroke bike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews. Keep exploring and ride safe.